Here we see Gregoris caminus, the wild caiman. Omnivorous, but on this day, his target is not food. Patient, focused, he searches for the perfect angle. He'll need to get much closer, but the terrain is dangerous. A herd of cows have left many obstacles. What's this? Ah yes. Shh. Nevertheless, the wild caiman always gets his shot. Here we see another caiman, atop a metal structure. He is quite close to his target, but dissatisfied. Across the way, an opportunity. The climb is high and the wind heavy, but the wild caiman always gets his shot. After a treacherous descent, success. Willing to do whatever it takes for the perfect photograph, the wild caiman is truly outstanding in this field. And as surely as the sun sets in the west, the wild caiman always gets his shot.